Good afternoon, another blue sky day. Right, I've just got all this reclaimed wood. Where's the rest of it? 3 bits there, and I've got all these bits here. And I've been wanting to replace this white front because it's quite knocked about and it's joined at the end. So I'm going to put these up like this along the front. Then it can be painted. I'm going to paint it, and I've got some wooden fish to go on the front, so I'll probably paint it maybe blue and maybe some plants and things on it like the ocean. But yeah, we'll see anyway. But yeah, I'm going to get these all cut to size and fit a new front. So here we go. Here's the first lot ready. The others the same size as that. Right, so we're going to get the end bit of wood in now. I've just got this notch cut out of it because we've got a wire at the bottom there. Some of these are going to have to be adjusted slightly anyway because it's not perfectly level in here because it's a van. So, but there we go. Let's get the first one in. All the holes are pre-drilled. There's the first one in. And we'll go with the second one. See if it needs. Yeah, that one's perfect. That's perfect up there as well. I think it's when we get near to the middle here because we've got the boss for the Desmo bit that goes in the floor for the table. But, and obviously I'll have to take this one back out in a bit because I've got the diesel heater coming through 1.5 of those. So I'll get them in first. See where we're going. Work out what we got to take out. Hoping to be able to mark it on the inside with a pencil, and that's what it looks like so far. There you go. I'll just carry on along here and get back to you in a bit. And there we have it. Just got to put this trim onto that edge there. And this is going to be painted grey. And there's the diesel heater coming out there. Another little job done. It didn't cost me nothing. Just a bit of electric. It's all it's costing, a bit of time. So here we go. Hello. Please like, subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next vid. Bye for now.